before space, before all things came to be, there was Po, the cosmic night. From blackness came heat, moving and growing, causing the sun to burst forth. The sky turned over and the moon became lit, and the primeval eyes of Makali'i peered down upon the shapeless masses. Kumulipo was born in the night, a male, and Po'ele, a female. Growing things, moving things, creatures of land and sea, all of them formed in perfect balance. Everything Pono. Behold Kumulipo, the birth of the universe. The Kumulipo was first chanted in honor of High Chief Ka'i'i Maumau shortly after his birth. Some 200 years later, his great-great-granddaughter, Lili'uokalani, would pen the first translation, thus revealing some of its mysteries to succeeding generations. Embedded within the 2,000 lines of this genealogical masterpiece is the ancestral understanding that all things in the world are related. Humankind is but one part of a much larger universe created in perfect harmony. Okalipolipo, Okalipokala, Okalipokapol. The Kumulipo is the product of a sophisticated and advanced Hawaiian civilization. It embodies the greatness of a people who have always been and shall continue to be connected to this island universe.